Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download private video on YouTube. First, it's important to know this: private video or YouTube video can only be accessed or downloaded by the owner or by the people the owner has allowed. There is no legal way to download someone else's private video without permission. If the private video belongs to you, open YouTube Studio, click on Content and find your private video. Click the three dots and select Save to Device, and that's it. You can also go to the Google Takeout, select your video and YouTube Music, choose your video and click Create Export. Avoid website or app that claims to download private video. They are unsafe, may steal your data and can get your account banned. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. Found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.